So I have a 9,000 plumbing issue in my house. I'm hoping I can upcycle this quilt. The mirrors, I think if I could repurpose them. Okay, so nothing has sold so far. So I'm still just up 90 something bucks. I do have the quilt sent off to my friend Allie, who's gonna hopefully turn it into a jacket, then I'll sell that. In the meantime, I cleaned out my art storage and found a bunch of old pieces that I'm gonna auction off. So hopefully to take a dent into that plumbing issue. Flip, list, fix. Cool. This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
Very careful not to bump anything into the hat.
I don't even know where to begin. I think this is what we do. We do 3 piles. Garbage, donating, keeping.
Sound like good piles to me.
And
I don't know. I'm not sure.
so this is a pile of all the things I got rid of that I'm just donating to the art studio workspace. So any of the other artists in this building that want to use it, they can have it.
Donating all of this.
So look at this room. And here are the pieces that I found. So, huge thank you to today's sponsor, Squarespace. Love Squarespace, been with them forever. They have everything you need to create a beautiful website. One of the reasons why I use them is because of their online store. It was so easy to set up, and if I wanted to sell a digital product, physical, or a service, I could do it. Also, something I've been thinking about is making a course. They have that so integrated into their online shop that you could make a course and start doing that for your customers. And another thing is they just try to make everything easy for you and for your customers. They have flexible pay, meaning that your customers can pay in Apple Pay, PayPal, and even like do the Afterpay things where they pay in installments. So you can actually go and create your website today for free. No credit card needed. But when you do decide to buy something, use the link in my description of this video or the coupon code SHMOOD to get 10% off. So cool. Okay, so it's live. Go buy that shit. I just posted most of the stuff, it's on there. The rattan skull, I think the highest bid is like 210. The leopard chinoiserie Kitsugi, I think that's like 315, 350. I don't know, I need to check my DMs. All the art prints, they're at 120. The embroidery pieces, they're at 150. The painting that like is the smiley face peel off to the skull, that is 155. The resin skulls at also 150. Flowers and boys, I think it's at 300. I'm gonna have to split that one. Not have to, I get to. I'm actually stoked. The Louis Vuitton Bear Brick one is at 222. Then the punch needle skull is at 200. Then the last 3 we have the weaving, shape weaving. I just barely posted that, so no one's bid yet. And same with the macrame skull and the water embroidery. Just barely posted that. I'll give till Friday, end of day Friday, and whoever's the highest bid on Friday, they'll get them on Saturday, and shipping will be included. So, I mean, even with the price right now, I'll do some mental math. not doing mental math. That's where we're at. That's the new total. We're cutting down those prices. We're doing it. All right, so be sure to like and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that bell notification. And yeah.